Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is obviously going to be a hair video because I'm looking a little crazy right now. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my wash and go routine. I had a lot of comments on my last video about my hair, so I decided to do a hair video. So you want to start out on washed hair, and then I do my hair in very small sections because I have a lot of hair and it's really thick. And so I first start out by taking the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Now, if you have curly hair, you definitely know what this is. It's amazing. It's a wash and go staple, and I just rake this through my hair and really brush it out. And then I use any kind of oil to seal all of that moisture in. And honestly, I use a different oil every time. So you can use whatever oil you would like for this step. And I'm using the Suave Serum Gel, and I didn't even know serums existed for your hair, but this thing is amazing. This thing makes your curls pop before you actually put a hard gel in there. And so my next thing is the Curly Custard Gel by Miss Jessie's. This thing locks everything in, makes your hair last for a couple days. And now this is a new thing that I've been doing. I like to roll my hair into Bantu knots to let it dry a little bit because my hair can turn into a frizz ball if I do not tame it a little bit. So this lets it be tamed a little bit before I can wear it out. And so I'm just doing the same thing again, sectioning off my hair and then wetting it, making sure my hair is drenched. That's key. And now this time I put the oil in first before the curl enhancing smoothie. It really doesn't matter which way you do it. I kind of mix it up every time. And then I put the curl enhancing smoothie in, brush it out, make sure every single strand of hair is moisturized, okay? You can't miss a strand of hair. And then I put the serum in. And putting the serum in makes me so happy because my curls just pop. And then the curly custard. And I'm not going to bore you guys and making you guys watch me do my entire head because this does take a while, but I'm going to show you guys one more time of what I do, and then I will show you how I take the Bantu knots out. Okay, now this is what my hair is looking like when I'm done doing all of that to my entire head. It looks a little crazy and messy, but don't worry, it will turn out cute. And this is actually the next day because my hair takes forever to dry, and I didn't feel like doing it last night. So now this next day, and I'm wetting my hair a little bit and fixing up those edges before I start taking out my hair. After those edges are slayed, I make sure my hands are wet while I take out my hair. You don't want your hair fully dry because if it's really dry, then it will turn out more of a twist out than a wash and go. So I start taking out those sections and wetting whatever I need to, and trying to zhuzh up the curls with my hands and doing a lot of scrunching motions. and I just do this until my entire head is out of Bantu knots. It's kind of self-explanatory. This is what my hair looks like after I take everything out of the Bantu knots, and then I like to blow dry my hair a little bit. I like to add a little more fluff to the first top part of my hair that you saw that I did, and then I like to stretch out the very bottom section just to make it look like my hair is longer, and then I just let the rest air dry. Alright, now this is what my hair is looking like, almost dry. Shrinkage is real. Alright, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!